Looking at some polygons. A polygon is a shape with straight sides. Now we're going to look at two particular types of polygons. Here we have a pentagon, which has 5 sides, and a hexagon, which has 6 sides. Let's just start with a pentagon. Hopefully you would understand and know that a pentagon has now we're going to look at polygons. A polygon is a shape with straight sides. We're going to look at two polygons in particular. This one here is a pentagon, so it has 5 sides, and over here we have a hexagon which has 6 sides. Now we're going to concentrate mainly on the angle properties of the pentagon. We're going to look at the internal angles, or the sum of the internal angles. You may already know that the internal angles add up to 540 degrees. But as teachers, that's quite a lot to expect. And so we have got this very simple little method to help you remember what they add up to. We would expect you to remember that a triangle has internal angles that add up to 180. So we're going to split this shape up into triangles. So starting with one corner, we're going to draw a line to every other corner. So that's one line, 2 lines. Over here we have the last one we'll draw in. And obviously that one already finishes there as well. So now we have 3 triangles. If one triangle is 180 degrees, then 3 triangles equals 540 degrees. Now this particular polygon is a special polygon because all the lines around the outside are the same size, which means it's a regular polygon. Because it's regular, it also has all the internal angles are the same size as well. And you may be expected to calculate what one of these angles is. In this case, x. Because we have 5 equal angles, that means that 5 lots of x is going to add up to 540. So to find x, we need to divide 540 by how many angles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This equals 180 degrees. We may also be asked to find the external angle. Now the external angle is when you extend the line out from the shape, and they're asked to find this. To make this less confusing, I'm going to rub out these lines. So we know this angle here is 108, because they're all 108 inside. And now we just have a straight line with 108 on one side. So 180 for a straight line. Take away 108, leaves us with 72. 72 degrees. And that's the external angle. We'll run through this again with the hexagon. Exactly the same idea. First of all, you may already know that the angles in the hexagon add up to 720 degrees. But we're going to use the same method as before to work out that number. So starting with any corner, let's start here. That line is drawn. Drawing this line. That corner's done. As you can see, we've split the hexagon up into 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So 4 triangles, or 4 lots of 180, equals 720 degrees. So that's the sum of all the internal angles. If we're looking for one of the internal angles, we need to do our 720 divided by how many angles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is 120. If we were then to continue and work out what the external angle is, again we draw our little line in show the external angle. Just rub the rest of these lines out to avoid any confusion. So we know this angle here is 120 degrees. So the angle here, which may be labelled Y, would be 180, take away 120, which is 60.